Example number 1. Find three rational numbers equivalent to the following rational numbers. A. Minus 6 by 11. B. 8 by minus 7. First A. Minus 6 by 11 is equal to minus 6 into 2 by 11 into 2 is equal to minus 6 into 3 by 11 into 3 is equal to minus 6 into 4 by 11 into 4. Hence minus 6 by 11 is equal to minus 12 by 22 is equal to minus 18 by 33 is equal to minus 24 by 44. Three rational numbers equivalent to minus 6 by 11 are minus 12 by 22, minus 18 by 33, minus 24 by 44. B. 8 by minus 7. 8 by into 2 by 8 by minus 7 is equal to 8 into 2 by minus 7 into 2 is equal to 8 into 3 by minus 7 into 3 is equal to 8 into 4 by minus 7 into 4. Hence 8 by minus 7 is equal to 16 by minus 14 is equal to 24 by minus 21 is equal to 32 by minus 28. Three rational numbers equivalent to 8 by minus 7 are 16 by minus 14, 24 by minus 21 and 32 by minus 28. If a rational number has a negative denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator with minus 1 to make the denominator positive. Example, 4 by minus 7 is equal to 4 into minus 1 by minus 7 into minus 1 and it will be equal to minus 4 by 7. You can write here minus 4. 4 by minus 7 is equal to 4 into minus 1 by minus 7 into minus 1. This is minus 4 by 7. Hence 5 by minus 3 is equal to minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 5 by 3. Example number 2. Express minus 3 by 8 as a rational number with A. Numerator minus 36, B. Numerator 24. Solution. We have minus 3 by 8 is equal to minus 36 by what? Minus 36 divided by minus 3 is equal to 12. Hence both numerator and denominator should be multiplied with 12 to get an equivalent rational number. Hence minus 3 into 12 by 8 into 12 is equal to minus 36 by 96. Therefore the required rational number is minus 36 by 96. B. We have minus 3 by 8 is equal to 24 by what? The 24 is divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 8. Hence minus 3 into minus 8 by 8 into minus 8 is equal to 24 by minus 64. Therefore the required rational number is minus 24 by 64. Example number 3. Express 4 by minus 5 as a rational number with denominator minus 45 and B second numerator minus 48. Solution. We have 4 by minus 5 is equal to what by blank space by minus 45. Here minus 45 is divided by minus 5 is equal to 9. Hence 4 into 9 by minus 5 into 9 is equal to 36 by minus 45. So therefore the required rational number is minus 36 by 45. Second, we have 4 by minus 5 is equal to minus 48 by blank space minus 48 divided by 4 is equal to minus 12. Hence 4 into minus 12 by minus 5 into minus 12 is equal to minus 48 by 60. Example number 4. Fill in the boxes. Number 1, 5 by 4 is equal to blank space by 16 is equal to 25 by blank space is equal to minus 15 by blank space. Second, minus 2 by 9 is equal to blank space by 18 is equal to minus 6 by blank space is equal to 10 by blank space. Solution. Number 1, 5 by 4 is equal to blank space by 16 and 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Hence 5 into 4 by 4 into 4 is equal to 20 by 16. So first blank space is value of first blank space is equal to 20. Again 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So 5 into 5 by 4 into 5 it is equal to 25 by 20. So second uh, blank space is equal to 20. And the third one, minus 15 divided by 5 is equal to minus 3. Hence 5 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15 by minus 12. So blank space, third blank space will be filled by minus 12. 5 by 4 is equal to, therefore 5 by 4 is equal to 20 by 16 is equal to 25 by 20 is equal to minus 15 by minus 12. Minus 2 into second case. Second question. Minus 2 into 2. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So minus 2 multiplied by 2 by 9 into 2 is equal to minus 4 by 18. Similarly, you can find the value that minus 2 by 9 is equal to minus 4 by 18 is equal to minus 6 by 27 is equal to 10 by 45. Now, standard form of a rational number, very important topic. Listen properly. A rational number p by q is said to be in the standard form if q is positive and p and q have no common divisor other than 1. That is, the HCF of p and q is 1. Again, I am repeating. Listen properly, very important topic. A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if q is positive and p and q have no common divisor other than 1. That is, HCF of p and q is 1. For example, 21 by minus 70 is equal to minus 21 divided by minus 7 by minus 70 divided by minus 7 is equal to minus 3 minus 3 by 10. Divide both numerator and denominator by HCF of 21 and the 70, that is 7. So minus 3 by 10 is an standard form of HCF of minus 3 and 10 is 1 and denominator 10 is a positive. Example number 5. So the example number 5, 6, 7, we will use the standard form theory. That means we will divide by the HCF of both the numerator and the denominator. If the HCF of both numerator and denominator is 1, then that rational number is in the form of a standard form. So we will meet in the next video. We will start from the example number 5.